Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, a widespread sell-off continues to be the trend in the local equity market, forcing prices downward. As investors' fears surrounding the economic impact of COVID-19 on the country grow, many are liquidating their positions to maintain excess cash on hand. Between March 11th and 18th, the main market has lost 10.4% of its value and the junior market has lost 14.8%. Year to date, the combined index is down 27.3% to close at 367,524.24 on the 18th. The pandemic has also resulted in a suspension of Proven's APO, which had opened March 11th and was scheduled to close on the 31st. On the money market, in last week's 30-day CD, the Bank of Jamaica offered $8 billion. The offer was undersubscribed as bids totaled $7.7 billion. The yield on the bids placed ranged from 2.24% to 4.5%, and the average yield for the successfully allocated bids was 3.51%. On the bond market, the U.S. Federal Reserve cut its policy rate for the second time this year on March 15th by 100 basis points. However, this rate cut was widely anticipated and already priced into the market. Thus, the announcement did not stop the declining trend of the yield of the U.S. 10-year Treasury, which moves inversely to price. On the 17th, the U.S. government announced a possible $1 trillion aid package, leading to a shift in investor confidence. Investors temporarily became risk-on, resulting in a 45 basis point increase in the yield on the U.S. 10-year Treasury from 0.73% to 1.18%. On the foreign exchange market, as of March 18th, the Bank of Jamaica's weighted average selling rate closed at $136.54, representing a week-over-week depreciation of 0.6%. In a statement released on March 17th, the Bank of Jamaica acknowledged that the flow of foreign exchange into the market is likely to fall within the short term on a short contraction in the tourism sector and the likely disruption in remittance inflows. The bank has already put in place measures to increase the availability of liquidity for deposit-taking institutions and is prepared to use additional measures as the need arises. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.